Our next guest has brought the official car of the 2010 International CES. It's the 2010 Ford Taurus Show. We're going to talk about that. He's the Executive Director of Product Development for Ford Motor Company, Frank Davis. Frank, welcome into tomorrow. How you doing?
Oh, it's great to be here, Dave. It's very exciting. The show looks great.
It's going to be a fun CES, no doubt. There's a whole lot of excitement and innovation and new products. And not to be outdone, Ford, of course, always doing cool stuff. First of all, out of the box, kudos to you being the only company not taking government money and making a profit.
Oh, that's outstanding, Dave.
I mean,
Thank
we're
you
just
very
so
much
proud of you, I feel, as an American.
All our hard work is
wow.
finally paying off, and we're getting momentum in the marketplace. It's an excited time to be at Ford, for sure.
My son, Chris, and I were talking the other day. Chris is also our technical director, and he said, you know, it makes me want to buy a Ford next time. I mean, what a cool marketing. And I know that's not why you did it. It's not, you know what, we're just not going to take government money so we can sell more cars. There had to be a whole lot more patriotism involved there, too, to say we can do this, guys. Let's just do it on our own. And you're doing it.
Yes, we've got a razor-sharp focus on our products, and it feels really great to have product excellence. The Taurus Show, which is the car of the show, as you've talked about, is just another great example of that. It's all about being our flagship sedan. It's got great class-leading technology that even luxury cars like Lexus don't have in the vehicle.
I'm looking at the comparisons between Audi and Lexus and the Toyota Avalon, which I used to have one of, et cetera, and it blew me away, the kind of innovation that you guys are putting into Ford. We hear a lot about sync, and we'll talk about that in a moment. But, of course, what's cool is that most cars have some technology. You know, it's a car with some technology. To me, what you guys are doing is an incredible amount of technology, which is what we cover, of course. Oh, that also happens to be a car.
That's great. I mean, there's a lot of great examples of that. It's adaptive cruise control with collision warning. It actually has a jet fighter radar positioned in the front of the vehicle that can see out 600 feet, and it'll pre-charge the brakes if a vehicle comes into your lane. So it's just fantastic technology like that. We have blind spot information systems on the rear of the vehicle, 2 more radars to see each side of you. As you're getting my age and getting a little older, it's harder to look left and look right. You have the blind spot information system. That's just a great option. We also have a cross-traffic alert feature that if you're parked between 2 large pickups in a vehicle, you back out, it warns you both ways if there's a car approaching and lets you know car approaching left, car approaching right. Just great technology that actually this innovation that we see at this show really led us to go after that leadership position, and it's fundamental for Ford and our product strategy moving forward.
So it really was kind of the impetus was part of CES to say, let's do some more innovative things. We're already taking the lead with Sync and other cool stuff that you guys have been doing at Ford. Now let's just take it these steps further, and you're doing it.
Yeah, it's really about, we want our company to be a consumer electronics driven type of company versus an automotive company, and we're really separating ourselves from our competitors when we do that. You mentioned it, we've got great features that aren't even available on a Lexus on this Taurus, and it's not your traditional Taurus that you're used to. This thing will just blow people away the first time when they get in it.
Now, please tell me that you're also taking some of this great technology to some of your other models as well. There's got to be some plans for everything else, because maybe folks need an SUV and the Taurus is not, and you know, and that would be the kind of thing to say, give me this consumer tech and I'm there.
Yeah, I mean, if you look at we actually started with blind spot information system on our Fusion vehicle that's selling well. It's actually going to sell the most vehicles Fusion in the history this year in a market that's 40% down. So consumers are really getting on the bandwagon with this technology. You give them great customer-driven technology and they're coming in, and we're really excited. The Taurus sales year over year up 150% with this new model, so the consumers are really going after it in a big way.
Oh, no
and so
doubt.
We're proud, and it's a great time to be in product development right now.
Oh, I would imagine so, and you're heading that up too. So it's like, guys, keep it up. You know, we keep doing this because look at all the attention we're getting, and mostly from the customers who are saying, give me more, and I'm your customer. Right?
It's just great product that drives our customer strategy, and being in touch with the customer is so critical.
Now tell me, because we've only got a couple of minutes about Sync and how that has just taken off so dramatically that it makes everybody appropriately want to have a Ford.
Yep. In-vehicle connectivity is huge for us. Our technology is really technology that keeps you safe and keeps you connected. From the connected point, it's all about Sync, and being able to have it at your fingertips, you know, Sirius TravelLink features. It's also about voice activation, you know, and each year we keep bringing more and more new technology into the Sync to bring our customers in, our new customers, and expand that. And Sync is turning into a brand, and it's outstanding for us and our customers. And as you know, it's a competitive advantage for us, a significant competitive advantage for us.
You know, we were earlier at this particular press preview. There's a press conference, of course, before we started doing all of these interviews earlier in the afternoon. And the guy sitting next to me, Holland, leans over and says, "That's how you sell cars." After you did your presentation, you had a little brief presentation. What was amazing is you were comparing the Audi and the Lexus and so forth. Toyota. And then you also talked about the fact that it doesn't drive the price up so dramatically that you're now more expensive than these other cars. You're still far less expensive and still being able to be competitive with all this innovation.
Yep, we have 10 exclusive technologies that no one else has, and we're $20,000 to $30,000 under a Lexus and an Audi. So it's a great value proposition for our customers.
And making a profit.
That's right.
Go figure.
That's right.
Got to check it out. FordVehicles.com. We'll have the link for you along with Frank's picture and the video of all of the interviews from CES Unveiled. Frank Davis, Executive Director of Product Development for Ford Motor Company. Thanks for spending a few minutes with us. We look forward to your CEO Alan's keynote at CES in January as well.
Thank you, Dave. It's been a great time, and thank you very much.
It's our pleasure. Thank you, sir. We're back with more as Into Tomorrow continues. From New York, I'm Dave Graveline. This is Into Tomorrow on the Advanced Media Network.